Welcome to Primal Mogul, where we equip Black entrepreneurs with the knowledge and tools to dominate the real estate game with advanced investment tactics. Buying your first rental property can be life-changing. It's a pathway to wealth, independence, and power. Today, I'm breaking down the step-by-step blueprint to help you secure your first property and start building generational wealth. The first step is securing your down payment funds. For most rental properties, you'll need at least 15 to 25% down, depending on your lender and creditworthiness. Start by building a savings plan, building your credit, and cutting unnecessary expenses. Consider creating side hustles or additional income streams to reach your goal of owning your first rental property. Strong credit is critical for securing favorable loan terms. Remember, credit is power when buying real estate properties. Check your credit score and review your report for errors. Obtain your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com and review it for mistakes, inaccuracies, or outdated information. Even though you can buy your rental property with a 620 credit score, it would be wise to build your credit score to be 680 and above for better interest rates. If your score needs work, focus on paying off debts, reducing credit utilization, and making on-time payments. Next, connect with lenders who specialize in rental property financing. Start with banks, credit unions, and mortgage brokers. Don't forget to ask about loan programs that cater to first-time investors or Black-owned businesses, such as those supported by community development financial institutions. Make sure you chose a finance company, bank, or mortgage broker with a reputable history of working with real estate investors. Are you looking for a single-family home, a commercial property, a multifamily property, or maybe a condo? Each comes with its own pros and cons. Think about your budget, target market, and your long-term goals before making a decision. The goal is to get the best ROI when purchasing a rental property. Research neighborhoods, property values, and rental demand in your area. Use platforms like Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com to scout potential properties. Look for areas experiencing growth and development. These often offer the best investment opportunities. Invest in areas with the best schools, job growth, and stability. Once you've done your research, it's time to get pre-approved for a loan. This will show sellers you're serious and ready to make a power move. Your lender will assess your income, credit, and down payment before issuing a pre-approval letter. With your pre-approval in hand, it's time to choose your property and submit an offer. Work with a trusted real estate agent who understands your investment goals. Negotiate strategically to secure a deal that aligns with your budget and return on investment expectations. Before finalizing your purchase, schedule inspections to identify any hidden issues like plumbing, electrical, or foundation problems. This step is crucial to protect your investment and avoid costly surprises later. Once inspections are complete and financing is secured, it's time to close the deal. At closing, you'll sign all necessary documents, pay closing costs, and officially become a property owner. Make sure you go over all the upfront cost, the monthly payment and interest rate before closing the deal. Now, once you approve and sign all of the loan paperwork, congratulations, you've taken a massive step toward financial freedom. Ready to take your real estate game to the next level? Join the Primal Mogul Elite Membership Program today for exclusive guides, resources, and insider tips to dominate the rental property market. Click the link in the description to sign up today and gain access to read our more detailed in-depth power post about advanced real estate investing and start building your empire today. Thanks for watching. Remember, wealth building starts with one bold move. Subscribe to Primal Mogul for more game-changing strategies, power moves, and don't forget to hit the like button if this video inspired you. Let's build something legendary together. Primal Mogul.